In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your voice on a messenger call. First, let's talk about what this actually means. When we say change your voice, we're usually talking about using a voice changer app or effect that modifies how you sound in real time while you're on a call. Messenger itself doesn't have a built-in live voice changer feature for calls. So what we do instead is use another app that processes your microphone before the sound reaches Messenger. Think of it like putting a filter on your voice before it's sent to the person you're talking to. Start by going to your phone's app store and searching for a real-time voice changer that works with calls. Look for an app that clearly states it can be used during voice or video calls and has good reviews. Install it, then open the app and go through its initial setup. Most of these apps will ask for permission to use your microphone and possibly access to audio settings. Make sure you allow those, otherwise it can't modify your voice. Next, explore the voice options inside the app before you start a call. You'll usually see presets like deep voice, high-pitched voice, robot, echo, or other fun effects. Choose one and test it using the app's built-in preview or test mode. This step is important because it helps you adjust the intensity or style of the effect, so it still sounds clear and understandable to the person on the other end. Once your voice changer is set up and you've picked a voice you like, leave the app running in the background. Most real-time voice changers need to stay open to keep working. Now, open Messenger and start your voice or video call as you normally would. Speak a little more slowly and clearly at first, because some effects can slightly distort your words. If the other person says they can't hear you well, you can quickly switch back to your normal voice by returning to the voice changer app and turning the effect off or lowering the strength. If your phone supports it, you can use headphones with a built-in microphone for better audio quality. This can make the effect sound cleaner and reduce background noise. Just remember that heavy effects may be fun, but they can also be tiring to listen to for long calls, so try to keep it balanced. And that's how you change your voice on a messenger call using a voice changer app and your phone's microphone settings.